Unlock the secrets to turning your clutter into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like a pro and watch your profits soar, whether you are clearing out your garage or launching a side hustle. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. The first step that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into facebook.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, you can just right now sign up by writing your email address and your password, or you can also upload your Facebook application. Then you start your inscription by writing your email address and your password. But if you already have an account, you have just to click over login and write your email address and your password. So first of all, you have to click over marketplace. Then you will find this page. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter or start a side hustle. In this video, we'll dive into the ultimate tips for creating a catchy listings, setting competitive prices, and maximizing your reach. From choosing the right keywords to master negotiation tactics, we will cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. Stick around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So here we have browse all notifications, inbox, buy-in. Also we have in buy-in saved, and also you can create a new listing. Also we have selling here, try it. For example, here this is my list here. I will just share it if I want. So let's come back. We have also here create new list, and I will show you how you can create that. And about also we have location, and we have here niches. For example, I want clothing. I will click for clothing, and then I will find products that is clothing also only. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter or start a side hustle. In this video, we will delve into the ultimate tips for creating a catchy listings, setting competitive prices, and maximizing your reach. From choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics, we will cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. Stay around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So you have just to click over create new listing. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one. You choose here the listing type. For example, I have agent for sale, vehicle for sale, and property for sale or rent. The first one creates a single listing for one or more agents to sell. Then we have sell a car, van, or other type of vehicle. Then we have the last one, list a house or flat for sale or rent. I will select the first one. Once you do that, you will just find other page. So selling on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interactions with potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for listing fees found on other marketplaces, with tools to create appealing listings and options for sharing within local groups. Sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances of successful sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So we have here how you can create the first product. So we have your listing preview. As you create your listing, you can preview how it will appear to others on marketplace. So first of all, you have just to add a photo here. You click over dollies here. I will choose Kyrie. I will select this tree one. And then we have here required to be as descriptive as possible. For example, title here, choose basketball. Then we have the price. So we have here my product. So by the way, it's basketball shoes. Then we have prices here. Then we have category, tools, furniture, household, garden, appliance, and children we have video games, books. About clothing we have bags, women's clothing, shoes, men's clothing, shoes. I will click over men's clothing, shoes. Then if you scroll down, I will have the condition new, used like new. Then we have the size here, 42. Then we have coat style. Then we jacket, sport coat, suit jacket. So I will select sport coat. Then we have the fit, if it's classic, modern, or skinny. Then we have the brand. I will select Nike. You have the description, new shoes, basketball. For hoopers, I will write for hoopers to attract people because hoopers is the one that master basketball very good and know in basketball. So if I write hoopers, he will just see this picture and they say hoopers if he's a basketball player. Of course, the ones that buy this one, it's a basketball player or someone that like it. So if they also see hoopers, he will be attract. Hoopers, I will write the type Kyrie Irving age. Can we have here? So I will modify this one. Then we have availability here. We can just list it as a single item or list it as in stock. So I have to do one, so I'll list as stock. You have product tags, SKU here, location also. Then we have here made-up preferences. Buyers will be able to see preferences on your listing. You have public made-up, made in public location, door pickup. Buyer picks up at your door, drop off. You drop off at buyer's door. You have post listing after it's been published. Of course, add a step to post your listing after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into an ad. Do you have hide from friends? No. I will just let it that like that. This listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. Then we have the last one. Marketplace items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items that infringe intellectual property are not allowed on Marketplace. See our commerce policy. You can just click over next and you publish this. So this is how it works with sale on Facebook Marketplace. You can just get started as soon as possible. So sale on Facebook Marketplace presents a unique opportunity to reach a broad audience while enjoying a straightforward and cost-effective selling experience. By leveraging its features and engaging with local buyers, you can turn unwanted items into cash by potentially grow a driven side business, embrace the platform's potential and watch your sales flourish. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.